Now that we got this bolt loose and we took this one off here and loosen up that bottom one, now we could just get this and pull it back all the way as far as it can go there. Then we already put the belt here, and then now we have to loosen up 1, 2, I believe there's about 5 or 6 screws right there on that water pump. That'll be this one right here, that one, and I think it has 3 more on the back side. So we're going to remove those screws right now, and then take out that water pump out. We'll do that next. We'll loosen this. It's a 12 millimeter. I don't know if you can see it over here. And these are pretty. Should be loose now. We'll take it off by hand. And just know some of these bolts are going to be longer than others, so make sure you know where they go. See, I will put them here for the water pump, and then we're going to remove 4 more, about 4 or 5 more. Okay, we got the bottom out. Now we have to, I loosened this one up already. So we're going to take this one out. Okay. Just know that top one right there that I just pulled, it's longer than the ones that go on the bottom. See? So this one right here, the one that goes up here, longer. 2 short ones back here, long here. Okay, loosen up this one already. Just taking it up by hand. Okay, here we go. And it's another long one. So the 2 that go here, 1, 2, these are long, and the ones back here are short. Okay. Okay, we're just there's one more screw down here. Let me pull that other one out, and then we'll see. Okay, we got this last one out. Okay, see, you get all the antifreeze right now. Losing all the antifreeze. I think we just killed the engine. All that blood coming out. See that? Oh yeah. This car's dead. We just drain all the blood out. Okay, here's the water pump. And the reason we're replacing this water pump is because, I'll show you here in a minute. Do you hear that noise? Bad bearing. Has a bad bearing, so when the engine runs, it makes this noise because it has a bad bearing. Let me put it here. See? See that? So we're gonna have to replace this water pump. And don't worry about the gasket. The gasket goes right there on the engine block. But when you get your new water pump, you could just put that new. And by the way, there's 5 screws here, and it should come with brand new screws when you buy this water pump. It's a Toyota water pump, and it only lasted 126,000 miles, which not bad, but being Toyota, should have lasted about 300,000 miles. But that's how you take out the water pump. I'll post another video how to install this water pump. Thank you for watching.